Hello ladies, I had a few questions after yesterday video about how to do the design that I just removed from my nails, so I thought I'll show you quickly. It's very simple, anybody can do that, so let's move on then. So that's the look that we're going to achieve. What do we need? I already prepared a tip. It is covered with one layer of white gel polish. It's already been cured. Now I will add a second layer, just a thin one. You don't want to put too much of the white, and I'll show you what do we do next. So just a thin layer, it doesn't have to be very even, it's just to give that, it's just to have that wet layer in here. I already prepared the colors that I will need for my background, and I will use one bluey color, then the other one is more of a mint green, and we will also have some glittery colors. So what do we do first? We take the green one or the blue one, it doesn't matter, and we place few dots. It's not very, it doesn't have to be even or anything, just place them how you like. Then we add few blue ones, big ones, small ones, it depends which color do you want to have as a dominant color. And the last one, we will add a bit of a glittery color. All right. So what do we do next? We will take our stamper that we use for stamps, and we will just touch it gently and mix it all together. All over the nail. So this is something that we get. I'll just add a bit more in the middle. Okay, and we will give it a cure now. It doesn't have to be a full cure, but we will need to add a second layer onto that to get rid of these white patches that are left over there. So we take it out. Okay then, and if I see the places where I would like to add something, I just add a little bit more of a color. Now I don't need the white anymore. Just add these three colors where you think you could do with a little bit more. And I'll add some more of my glitter one. And we repeat that. Okay. It's sort of similar to a marble. I think it's a bit easier to do, and definitely quicker one. Alright then, now it will need a full cure. In my case that would be around 30 seconds. After that, we will need to put a matte top coat. It doesn't really matter what brand you use. I like when the background is matte and then the flowers on top are shiny, so it kind of gives you that contrast of matte and shine surface. That's why I top it with the matte top coat, but you could use the normal shiny one as well. It's just depending on what you prefer and what your clients prefer. So just put the matte top coat. Okay. My top coat is a no wipe one, so after I take it out from the lamp, it'll be already matte. This one needs 60-90 seconds in the lamp, but I don't have to cure it fully now, as I will still add the flowers onto it, so obviously that will be back in the lamp, and that way the time will add up. I'll just clean my brush now. Remember, if you want to clean your brush, just use a dry cotton pad and close it in between your fingers and just gently take the color off your brush, just like that. Okay then, so we've got the matte background, and now we can add some shiny leaves on top of that. Just a little bit of a black. It can be black paint gel or whatever you prefer. I like the paint gels that haven't got any sticky layer on top, because then I know I don't have to top them up with any top coats, so I can just finish with the leaves, and you're all done, you're all set up. So let's have that coming out from here. And we'll start with the last one. I hope you can see it well. And then we carry on with the next ones. Don't attach them yet to the vein that is in the middle. We will do it later on. Don't place them too close to each other, because it's just not gonna look nice. And make sure the peaks of the leaves that they are facing sort of the same direction, and it looks better if they are facing the top rather than the side. Now I move to the other side. Don't do them one next to each other, always in between. That will also make them look more real and more delicate. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. And the last one in here. And now now is the time when I will connect them with the vein in. So always start from the middle of a lift and then go to the vein. Never go straight to the vein, always it will slide downwards first and then attached in here. And same with this one, and with that one, and the last one is already done. There you go, and now put it in the lamp. Again, just the flashed cure, because I will still add the second one to give it a little bit more, so it's not so empty. And we will do the same with a second one, shorter one. I'll put it in here. The top one. And one more in between here. And now we're trying to connect them again to the vein. 1, 2, 3. And if you're not gonna add anything more, I would cure it like a full time now. If you want to add something extra, then you can just flash cure it and keep adding. You can add more of these leaves, or you can, for example, take the glittery bit and maybe add some glitter on some of your leaves. Maybe 1 and 2 in here. And then that one in here. And going back to the lamp. So that's it. Pretty simple, fast to do, so you don't waste too much time, and definitely your client will appreciate something completely different, something new, something fresh as well. There is a second one. To this one I also added some square sticker. It's up to you how you're gonna do it. Thank you for today, and I shall see you next time. Bye.